Okay, guys. Alright, we're almost halfway there. Just want to point out the hold on a sec. Just want to check out this thing. Than last time. Arsenal Park. So you guys see this? We got a new snack stop location, which is Arsenal Park Snap Stop. About 11.5 miles, and we're halfway there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're halfway there. Hold on, just want to write something real quick.
Okay, turn around.
I'll turn. No, wait.
I wrote awesome. Cause that's the new, cause this is a new pathway, different than the other years. Do you see what? Do you hear what I mean? Because I used a flip video, and I have retrieved it to back in December 2010, and back over the years, originally should be a park around that area, but now, not gonna say this right now, I never seen this park in my life. This is the first Walk for Hunger new snack stop. It's like a lunch break, something like that. I'm telling you. I'm gonna say this right now. A new snack stop. Has to be approval. So I'll show you what that is when I get there.